Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm taking you underwater and I'm showing you how we catch lobsters here in Bondi. It's lobster season, they're delicious, they're sweet, and yes, they are swimming around and hiding under rocks in my backyard. So we're taking you underwater, we're going to catch some lobsters, and we are going to explore the beautiful, beautiful ocean. Peace out, come on the journey. Alright, so that was a bit of a unsuccessful dive, but that happens. We didn't get anything, but the water was gorgeous. But we did walk away with a battle scar. Check that out. It's part of the fun. When you're diving for lobsters, you've got to get into the shallows, which is where all the water breaks, and sometimes you get nailed. If you love this video and you love all of our other Bondi Harvest videos, I would love your support. All you need to do is click here and subscribe, and that way you never miss out on a video. Or if you really want to join the team, I would love for you to subscribe to our Patreon channel. A couple of bucks a month, so no more than a coffee, and you allow us and support us to create beautiful video content, amazing recipes, and awesome travel stories. Thanks for the support. Peace out. Stay healthy, stay safe, and we will see you next episode of Bondi Harvest.